This full-size electric violin kit from Pyle combines a solid European maple body with a sunburst gloss finish, giving beginners and advancing students a responsive, visually striking instrument. The included 10-watt amplifier with dedicated tone controls and a 5-inch speaker delivers a surprisingly full sound for practice sessions and small room playing. Headphones plug directly into the amp, allowing genuinely quiet practice while still letting you hear enough detail to work on intonation and bow control. The ebony fingerboard and fittings, along with the alloy strings and carbon fiber tailpiece, contribute to stable tuning and a feel that is closer to a traditional acoustic violin. Pyle ships this violin already adjusted with bridge, strings, and basic setup, so a new player can start playing almost immediately without a professional visit. The bundle is rounded out with a shaped foam case, student bow, shoulder rest, digital clip-on tuner, rosin, extra strings, and cleaning cloth, making it a very complete starter package.